Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer your Steam Guard authentication code from a previous device to Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to have Steam downloaded on both of the devices, and here I'll be transferring it from this device to this one, Motorola, right here. And now let's try to log in to our account using our credentials on Motorola. Now we'll need to confirm that we want to log in with this device on the previous one. Here on Motorola, click on Add Authentication and select Move Authenticator. Now Steam will send you a message to the number that is connected to this account, and you will need to enter it in the pool right here. Select Verify Code, and now your authenticator is transferred to your Motorola. Make sure to save this code in case you forget it or lose the number or something like that. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.